So this question is known as impossible question. Let's try it.
Yes, sir.
1 by a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. Now generally how we do? Generally we do 1 by a plus b plus x equal to, we take the LCM, cross multiplication, bx plus ax plus ab, like cross multiplication, and then whole by abx, which is a trap.
Wait, what?
In this way it will be very difficult to solve it. So what we should do is move this thing this side. We'll get minus 1 by x. Now this is the correct step. Equal to, only for this kind of question, 1 by a plus 1 by b. Okay, now it's easy to solve.
That's so cool.
So it's not that much easy yet. Still some steps are there. What we do is we take LCM here, okay, and here also we'll take LCM now. So x minus a plus b plus x. In denominator, x in bracket a plus b plus x equal to this LCM thing. So b plus a, or I can write also a plus b. Since here a plus b is there, so that sequence I am following, by ab. Therefore x minus a minus b minus x by x in bracket a plus b plus x. Now I will open the bracket directly. So it will become ax plus bx plus x square equal to a plus b by ab, and x cancel. Therefore I'll take minus common over here. It will become minus 1 in bracket a plus b by ax plus bx plus x square equal to a plus b by ab. So a plus b by ab. Now in the next step, this thing will I can just divide both sides with a plus b, or simply I can shift this a plus b on this side and it will be cancelled, same. So let's do it step by step. Now since here also a plus b, here also a plus b, so both can get cancelled, but I'll show in the step. So here we get minus a plus b whole by ax plus bx plus x square, and then I'll bring this a plus b this side. So a plus b, it will come in denominator and cancel. So here directly you cancel, or here you cancel, your choice totally, equal to 1 by a b. Now this part I'll move to the other side, so that it will come in numerator, and this ab I'll bring this side again for numerator. So ab equal to x square, I'm first writing x square plus ax plus bx, and this was minus sign, so it should be minus. Now I'll bring this ab that side and it will become x square. Therefore x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Now this side is nothing, so equal to 0. Now let's take common. Here I can take x common and here I can take b common. If I take x common, it will become x in bracket x plus a plus b in bracket x plus a equal to 0. So x plus a equal to 0 और x plus b equal to 0. तो x plus a equal to 0 और x plus b equal to 0. तो x equal to minus a or x equal to minus b, and the question is done. Okay, so yes, very good. भारत माता की जय and जय श्री राम.
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at bestclasses.pandey. Till the next time, Bharat Mata ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the furious phrase of Pandey sir: push past your limits.